Hello everyone, welcome to Shriram Academy. This is Kritika. This is level 2 session 3. In the previous session, we have learned the concept of big friends. In this session, we are going to learn a new concept called combination method. Let's go to the class. Okay, I'm going to introduce combination formula. Okay, combination method. So, this is the big friend formula. So, big friend formula of 6 is minus 4 plus 10. In certain condition, we cannot apply the big friend formula as such. So, we are going to add 6 by using the small friend formula also. See here, in case you can't do minus 4 directly. So, minus friend formula for small friend is plus 1 minus 5 plus 10. Okay, and also have a note, we can split 6 as 5 and 1. So in short form we can say that to add 6 plus 1 minus 5 plus 10. Okay, see here, if you have 4, to add 6 minus 4 plus 10. This is the big friend formula. If you have 5, to add 6 directly is not possible. Also minus 4 plus 10 is not possible. Here we are going to apply the combination formula, that is, this is the combination, plus 1 minus 5 plus 10. Plus 1 minus 5 is nothing but we have applied the small friend formula. Hope you can understand well. To add 6 plus 1 minus 5 plus 10. So the answer is 11. Now 6 plus 6. 6 to add 6 plus 1 minus 5 plus 10. Answer is 12. Now we will see the plus 7 formula. Using big friend, we can add 7 by subtracting 3 and add 10. Plus 7 is minus 3 plus 10. In certain case, this is not possible. So, to add 7, minus 3 is plus 2 minus 5. So, you can split 7 as 5 and 2. Like this also you can remember. So, plus 2 minus 5 plus 10. This is the way to add 7 using combination formula. 5. To add 7 minus 3 plus 10. By using big friend formula we can't apply. So minus 3 is minus 3 plus 10. So this is the way to add 7. This is 12. Now 6 plus 7. 6. To add 7 plus 2 minus 5 plus 10. To add using combination formula, we should use these 3 fingers plus 2 minus 5 plus 10. So the answer is 13. Next. Using big friend, we can add 8 like this. Plus 8 is minus 2 plus 10. In certain condition we can't apply this formula. So 8 is, to do minus 2, we are doing plus 3 minus 5. So you can split 8 as 5 and 3. To add 8 plus 3 minus 5 plus 10. We are going to add 5 plus 8. 5 to add 8. Listen. Plus 3 minus 5 plus 10. Thumb index of your right hand and index of your left hand. Plus 3 minus 5 plus 10. This is the way to add 8. So 5 plus 8 is 13. Next. 6 plus 8. 6 to add 8. Directly is not possible. Minus 2 plus 10 also is not possible. So think of the combination. So to add 8 plus 3 minus 5 plus 10. Plus 3 minus 5 plus 10. So the answer is 14. Now we are going to see plus 9. So Using big friend, we can add 9 like -1 plus 10. In certain condition, we can't apply this. So to add 9 minus 1, instead of doing -1 plus 4 minus 5 plus 10. So we can split 9 as 5 and 4. Don't confuse with the big friend and also the combination. Big friend of 9 is 1, but the combination, while doing the combination method, we should do plus 4 minus 5 plus 10. We are going to do 5 plus 9, 5. To add 9, we should do -1 plus 10. We can't do -1 directly. So we are applying both small friend and big friend formula. Plus 4 minus 5 plus 10. This is the way to add 9 using combination method. I'm going to do it again to add 9. 5 plus 9, 5. To add 9, see? Plus 4 minus 5 plus 10. Simultaneously, these 3 fingers should go up. So the answer is 14. Now we are going to see some sums using the combination method. First sum, 5. To add 7 minus 3 plus 10 is not possible. So we should use the combination method, that is plus 2 minus 5 plus 10. 1, directly we can add 1. 5, directly we can add 5. Answer is 18. Next sum, 8. 6. To add 6 minus 4 plus 10 is not possible. So we should apply the combination formula plus 1 minus 5 plus 10. 1. Using small friend, plus 5 minus 4. Next 3. We can add directly. Answer is 18. Next sum, 5. 9. To add 9 minus 1 plus 10 we can't do. We should apply the combination method. So plus 4 minus 5 plus 10. 3. To add 3 plus 5 minus 2 minus 6. Directly we can apply. The answer is 11. Next sum, 6. 8. To add 8 minus 2 plus 10 is not possible. We should apply the combination method of plus 3 minus 5 plus 10. 2. To add 2 plus 5 minus 3. To add 7 using combination method, plus 2 minus 5 plus 10. Answer is 23. Next is 3. 7. To add 7 we can apply the big friend formula of minus 3 plus 10. 5 we can add directly. Next 7. To add 7 minus 3 plus 10 is not possible. So we are applying the combination method of plus 2 minus 5 plus 10. Answer is 22. Next is 8. 6. Here we can add 6 by plus 1 minus 5 plus 10. Next is 6. We can apply the big friend formula of minus 4 plus 10. Next 9. Directly. Answer is 29. Next 7. First 7 we can add directly. Next 7 we can't use the big friend formula. Minus 3 plus 10 we can't do. So we can apply the combination method of plus 2 minus 5 plus 10. Next 7 we can apply big friend formula minus 3 plus 10. Next 7 we can apply directly. So we added 4 times. Answer is 28. Next 6. Directly we can add 6. Next 6 is using combination method, plus 1 minus 5 plus 10. Next is 6 directly. Next is 6 we can apply the combination, that is plus 1 minus 5 plus 10. Answer is 24. Next is 8. Next 8 using big friend of minus 2 plus 10. Next 8, directly we can't add. Using big friend of minus 2 plus 10 we can't do. So apply the combination method of plus 3 minus 5 plus 10. Next 8 minus 2 plus 10. 4 times we added 8. The answer is 32. Next sum. 9 minus 4. 9 again. To add 9 minus 1 plus 10 is not possible. So plus 4 minus 5 plus 10. Next 9. 9. Answer is 23. In this class, we have completed the addition using combination method. Hope you have understood well. In next session, we will be learning subtraction using combination method. See you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.